What are we doing?
You talk. You talk. How to make your truck look like a real truck. Need a little more. Get a little flavor right there. Ooh.
How was that?
I'm not trying to crack the windows exactly. I need the... Trying to get this side.
Oh, no.
I got the window there.
Yeah, you did. Let's see it. Show it. Whoa.
That's not coming out anytime soon. I can't tell. Oh, there it is.
Oh. Beautiful.
I'm not trying to lose anything. Just trying to make it look like an old truck.
Definitely does not look new anymore. That should buff right out. Yep.
Okay, one last one. Okay, move that a little bit.
Oh. It's good. Wow.
This is what the side of your truck looks like. Not too bad. Okay. Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Shall we? I think we're almost good with this.
Whoa.
And we're good. Again, this is how you make your truck look like a brand new farm truck.
Thank you, Grady.